What is marketing? What is marketing?
Make sure our product reach to the customer.
No, no. What is marketing?
I mean, selling our product,
No.
advertising our product to the customer.
Yes, advertising. Advertising your product. This is what is marketing, right? This is what is marketing. So, better use of advertising budgets. So, from the past data, you are understanding that when my advertising is increasing, my sales is also increasing. So, what was the pattern in my advertising budgets in the past 30 years? How it was? So, if I'm increasing my budget in the sales, if I'm increasing my budgets in advertising, my sales is increasing. So you will expect your sales, right, at the same time to happen in such a manner. So better use of advertising budgets. Second one is effective pricing strategies. How? What is effective pricing strategies? Let us say till now I was manufacturing a product and I was selling it at 100 rupees, one product, and now after 5 years or after 2 years, let us say, competitors have come into the market. Now they are selling the same product at 70 rupees. So now you have to decide on the prices, right? If you sell the same product at 100 rupees, nobody is going to purchase your product. Initially, when phone was introduced, Nokia cell phone, it was very costly. But after that, when Reliance phone came, what happened? What was the dream of Ambani? Sabka apna ho. So everybody owned their own mobile. It was very cheap, right? There was a huge pressure on other competitors also. Huge competition because of this pricing strategies. If you want to stay in the market, you have to know the pricing strategies. Okay, and then improved demand forecasting. So when the demand will go high, when the demand will go down, so all this forecasting will be improved. Better product line management, increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. So there is nothing to explain in these things. It is very clear from these 3 points, right? So customer satisfaction and loyalty, it will be increased through business analytics. Better product line management we will be having, and improved demand forecasting, right? So business analytics in predicting hurricanes. This was a case study. Okay, this one we will leave because we are falling short of time. Let us say so Amazon. We'll take this case study. So before discussing this one, just have you ever heard about this diaper and uh, beer study of Walmart? Anybody has studied this one, or is anybody aware of this concept? Beer and diaper concept of Walmart.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
No, so this was a very famous concept, like that Walmart studied. They made a research. They made a research that And this is called as actually association rule, I'm telling, because this will be learning in the last chapter of our our session. What is association rule? What happens is like dads who were returning from the office, who were buying diapers, were also buying beers for the weekends. So what they did, they found that fathers who were buying diapers, they were also buying beers at the same time. So what Walmart did, they kept beers and diapers at the same place. It will be very easy to pick, right, in the supermarket when they are kept at the same place, isn't it? So likewise, they were trying to find some rules between the products, which products, associated products were sold together. This is called as market basket analysis. What is this called as? Market basket analysis. There were some algorithms, a priori algorithms, which were working behind this. So when a customer is buying some product, what are the products he is buying in combination? When somebody goes to the market, let us say supermarket, when somebody is buying milk, he also buys bread and butter sometimes, right? That is for sure. This is a combination in north of India. People buy, when people go buy milk packets, they definitely go and buy even bread also. But this is an association rule. So everybody knows the person who is going to buy milk packets, he is going to buy bread also and cheese also sometimes. So they're trying to find some association between the products which are sold together. So they had data of the purchased products, right? They had data of the sales that has happened in the past, and from that data they are trying to predict the associations between the products that will be sold together. This is called as association rule. So business analytics helps in those areas also. And then we have seen that this is the best example if you see business analytics and predicting sales. So Amazon, like this is the iPhone sales. So what they found out is, so they were selling iPhones. So they want to optimize the discounts that were applied on these iPhones. So they want to optimize them to a certain level that company is not going in the loss. How did they do that? They observed that when the discount was 10, so they observed the sales, this was the sales 50%. And when they observed that it was 11%, like when the discount rate was increasing, business was also increasing, right? The sales was also increasing. But after 13%, they found that there was no much difference. There was no much difference in that. Whether they made 14% or 15%, the sales was constant almost. So there is no meaning in giving discount more than 30%, right? 13%. So what they did is they kept their discount at 13%, not more than 13%. So they could optimize it. So business analytics helps in predicting the sales, right? That's what happened in predicting hurricanes also. So when hurricanes came, all of a sudden people rushed to the supermarkets and they have bought huge amounts of products and they have kept in their houses. They wanted to stock their products. and they understood what was the during hurricanes or such kind of calamities, what is the amount of products needed, right? There will be no drastic improvement in the population all of a sudden, right? There will no drastic improvement. Of course, if they are improving it, okay, plus or minus, but they are getting certain figure, right? They're able to predict the sales, right? What is going to happen at that point of time. So that's what has happened. Okay. Now we'll come to business analytics and data science. So what is data science? What is data science about? Is all about? What is data science? No answers? What is data science? So what do you understand by data science? What do you do in data science? So you are having the data, right? Data and science. So data that is on which our science is applied, right? Data on which our science is applied. Why do you apply science on data? To uncover the hidden patterns, meaning, and other insights from the huge volumes of data, big data, to improve decision making, to improve our decision making. So many businesses use data analytics to get value from the existing data and generally consider if the business has the right analytical talent. So how is it done? This is done using various methods and techniques in data science. So data science is all about finding out the hidden patterns and meanings and other insights from the huge data. And taking right business decisions, which will create high revenues, high customer satisfaction, and reduced expenses.
Sir, it's not predicting, sir.
Pardon?
It's not predicting. Predicting.
Predicting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is predicting.
Yeah, it's predicting. Okay.
So predicting the future, right?
Yeah, predicting the future. Yeah.
We are finding out the hidden patterns. How are you finding the patterns? Okay, last year like in 2000, as I told you, I had this much of sales, and next year I had this much of sales, and you are finding the trends in your sales patterns. You're finding the patterns inside your data. You're finding some meanings inside that data, and you're taking some insights, and then you are helping your company to take right decisions. Okay, so this is the definition. If you see here, data science is also known as data driven science, is a interdisciplinary field of scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data in various forms, either structured or unstructured, similar to data mining. Is this point clear to all of you? So these are all the key takeaways. So business analytics is a scientific process that transforms data into insight. Descriptive analytics includes techniques that explain what has happened in the past. So this is again the same definitions of descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. What has happened, what may happen, and what should happen, and the definition of data science. So now you got a good enough idea about business analytics, right? This is all about business analytics. We have descriptive, prescriptive, and predictive analytics. So these three kinds of analytics are very important for a business to advance, to take right decisions, right? To increase the revenues, to increase the customer satisfaction, and to reduce expenses. Any doubts still here? A quick confirmation in the chat window if you have any doubts, or if you don't have any doubts, any points to be cleared. Just quick confirmation in the chat box, please. We'll move ahead now. Thanks, Srikanth, for the confirmation. Thanks, Purnima. Thanks, Mani. Thanks, Radhika. Okay, so fine. So I have enough confirmations over here. Now what we will do is, we will see how to install our, right? I'm going to share this document to you all. If you want, we can install R right away. It's not going to take a lot of time. Just you can go to this site. I'm pasting it in the chat window. Just open this site, all of you. Both the links, just to click on them. Are you all with me? Is anybody doing, or will you do it afterwards?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it right now, sir.
Okay. So first try to download this one, Radhika, and all of you. Please try to download this one from the CRAN repository or project. Oh, you already, okay, nice, Balu. Okay. So you have R Studio. Okay, right, Balu. Nice. So try to install this R first, and then try to install R Studio. Nice. So first install R and then R Studio. The second link, just click on that one, download it and install it, and then install Studio. Just you can have the default settings, and you can just go ahead and you can install it. So for the R first one, the CRAN or project organization, you have that, right? Just click on that for installation. You'll get this kind of pop-up window. Just say next, and it will ask for the location. If it is the same location, just say next, and then just select. It is by default it will be like 4 of them selected. Just say next, and you'll get your R installed. And then go to R Studio, follow the same things, will get installed. Is that clear to all of you? Any doubts here?
Sir, R is different and R Studio is different, sir.
No, both are same. Even you can have only R Studio, that is fine.
Okay, okay.
No problem, right? Studio is more kind of visual money. You can just visualize it. It is
I think R Studio is like IDE.
ID. It is like you can. It is user friendly, basically icon based.
Yes.
So once you install R, I'm just opening my R over here. This is the R. Is this fine? Does it look like this? Okay, Purnima. You have already R Studio. That's nice. Okay. If it is installed, please let me know so that we can continue. Or I will just upload this document. We can install it maybe afterwards.